Assalamualaikum malam, men Sophia. Today I'm going to show you RGB LED. An RGB LED is an LED with only 4 legs. There is red, cathode, blue, and green. This is the RGB LED. The cathode is the longer end, and red is right next to cathode, which it's the start, and green is the last one. This is Arduino, and this is the breadboard. I'm going to show you, and it's going to show 3 colors. It's going to show RGB. RGB stands for R for red, G for green, and B for blue. So when I add the battery in, shows red, green, and blue. And while that happens, is that the code on Tinkercad right here is like that. So back to the Arduino. That moment.